Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, today discuss here a very important this is a bolt design, and bolt design is a very important, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And okay, and all view is available here. Is this is a top view and front view and right view. All is a 2D geometry is available here. Okay, and okay, this is a top view and this is a front view and this is a right view, and this is a bolt design, and how to all process is designed easily and clearly to discuss here. And this is a thread value, and this is a thread detail is available here, and this length is 187 millimeter and pitch is 5 millimeter, and size is a M48 millimeter and offset is 7 millimeter, and all dimension in millimeter. okay 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 this is a bolt design, and this is a looking beautiful, and this is a looking perfect, and all process is okay. This is a bolt is looking perfect, and okay, this thread is also looking perfect. Okay, this is a fillet is also correct. Okay, okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. okay 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 at first, select a part and click OK, and some important setting is okay. This is a full and some plain white. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, at first select a plane is a front plane. okay okay at first drawing this is a hexagon is a length is a this is a align dimension is 120 millimeter, and okay, this circle is drawing and this height is to 30 millimeter, and this circle is a 64 millimeter. Okay, and this fillet is 6 millimeter, and this length is a 56 millimeter is hexagon length. Okay, drawing a hexagon. okay okay and this line is a vertical, and align a dimension is this 120 is perfect. Okay, and apply a extrude boss, and select a mid plane. Okay, and this 56 millimeter is correct. This thickness is 56 millimeter, and this thickness is 56 millimeter is correct. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. And click back side and click sketch normal, and drawing a circle, and this align dimension is a 64 millimeter. Okay, and extrude boss, and this length is 230 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a, and this is a apply a material is a nickel, and polish nickel is perfect. Okay, and next is a, this is a chamfer to multiply 45-degree angle, and this is a fillet 6 millimeter. Okay, and apply a fillet is 6 millimeter, and this is a this. Okay, fillet is correct, and this chamfer is a 2 this length is 2 millimeter and this angle is 45-degree angle, and click OK. This is a perfect. Okay, and next is a this is a cutout, and cutout is a this length is 9 millimeter and this is a 9 millimeter. Okay, and select a plane is right plane, perfect, and OK, and a line is this is a click, and this is a perfect, and OK. Okay, dimension is this is a 9 millimeter and this is a 9 millimeter, perfect. And this cutout is a revolve cut, then select a center line. Okay, this is a construction line is draw a center line. Okay, drawing a center line with this origin point. Okay, and use a revolve cut. Okay, automatic is select here because this construction line is automatic, select here. Okay, okay, click OK. This is a cutout is very nice looking here, and this cutout is also this side. Then apply a front plane and click mirror, and mirror is a this cutout is select here, and OK, this is a this preview is showing here and looking perfect. Okay, this both side is cutout is very nice looking here. Okay, okay, this bolt is all is drawing here, and one point is okay, and this thread is apply here, and this thread is active, and this length is 177 millimeter, 187 millimeter this length, and offset is 7 millimeter, and this is a size is this pitch is 5 millimeter. Okay, and size is 48 millimeter. Okay, okay, apply a thread is this at select this edge. Okay, and this 45. Okay, this 45 multiply 5, 45 m45 is size and 5 is pitch. Okay, and this metric die is perfect. Okay, this is length is 87, 187 is perfect, and this offset is a 7 millimeter, and direction is outward. Okay, this is a perfect, and this direction is outward, and 187 millimeter is total length, and this metric die is perfect, and size is m48 multiply 5. Okay, and this cut is cut thread. Okay, and this thread option is right handed thread. Okay, this is a correct, and click OK. Some time is spent here because this is a active thread. Okay, and some little time is spent here because active thread process is active. Okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. This thread is okay, this is a perfect, and some thread color is a change here, some. Okay, this is also perfect looking here. Okay, okay, isometric view is also this, and this is a perfect looking here. Okay, 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 guys, I hope you will learn all process and all method is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.